guys, today it is part 2 of Blue Tack slime versus Blue Tack. Now I just wanted to say if comment down below which one you liked better, Blue Tack or Blue Tack slime. My one was Blue Tack slime because it's amazing. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this 2 videos, and make sure to subscribe to the Summer Squad fam, and shout out to India. But yeah, bye guys, love you.